So the next thing we're going to create a photo gallery. So we're going to click on Galleries, Add New. We will create a title. And down here, we're going to put in a brief description. This description will show up on the gallery listing page, where there will be one thumbnail for each gallery, and then it will pull in this description and put it underneath. So we're going to put that in there, and we'll go ahead and we want to make sure this is in the photos category. Now we're going to upload our images. So we're going to click on Upload Insert. Now, any images that you're putting in the gallery, you want to make sure that they're a small size. You don't want the full uncompressed image that's 5 or 6 megs, because it will just take too long for any of your users to view them. So you will select Files, and we're going to put these two in there. So they're going to go and upload. Okay. And now you can see this right here. This is the file name. It's going to use that as the title, and that's also going to show up in the gallery. So we don't want that to be the description or the title of the image. So we're going to click on Show, and we can see okay. And then we're going to click Show on this one. And then we're going to save all changes. And then we are going to click Insert Gallery. Now, this is basically a bucket that holds the gallery. If you needed to go back in and modify something, you would just click on it and click the Edit Gallery, and you go right back to here. So you can click Show, and save all changes, and then update gallery settings. Alright, and once we have all that done, we're going to click Publish. Take a look at that page. Now, one thing I left off is the featured image. We want to put that in because when we go to the galleries page, there's no image to kind of show off the gallery there. So we'll go back to here, and we'll set a featured image just like before. We're going to use Alright, then we will update. And there we go. And then if they click on that, it will pull up the gallery page. So we have the featured image at the top of it, and then we have each image individually. So here is the title that we put in earlier. It also shows up down here. Let's go to the next one. So, looks good. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to update the slideshow. This slideshow right here on the home page. So we're going to click on slideshows. Each of these are one of the slides in the slideshow. So this is the first one with the picture of the cross. Then we can see men's group. It's right there. So let's say we wanted to change out the fourth slide. So we're going to click on this. We'd click edit. Okay. We're going to change the title so that we will know what the image is. And we will start by deleting this image. So we'll click on this little delete button. We'll go back to upload insert. Okay. So we're going to use this one. So we're going to click on show. So we're going to want a medium size. We don't want it to be too big. We'll start with that. We're going to make it centered. And again, we don't want it to link to anything. So once we have all that, we're going to insert into post. There we go. And then we just update. And then we're going to refresh. Okay. We'll go ahead and advance. And there's your image. So we will go ahead and we're going to move on to testimonials. Testimonials are separate from the testimonies. Testimonies are the full length with a picture and all of that. Testimonials are more about just Christ the Redeemer in general. So we have those right here, and they also appear, I believe, on the testimonies page. Yes. So we were going to create one of those. We'll click on Add New under Testimonials. We will put in the person's name. And we want to make sure this goes under the CTR testimonials. Then we also want to put in the person's name down here. Once we've done all that, we click Publish.